in this session I will explain how to create macros in MS Word. Under View tab we have macros option. See here, if you click down, View macros, Record macro, two options are there. If you have already macros, then you can view macros, or if you want to record a new macro, you can select this particular record macro option. So what is a macro? Macro is a tool. It will record your work with the help of Visual Basic VBA code, Visual Basic for Applications code. With a name it will save. Whenever you want, you can run that particular macro. Generally we use macros for repeating works of our document. So you can rerun that particular work whenever you need to reduce the time of document editing or document designing. For example, I want to place borders for each and every document what I am going to create every day. So for that I need a fixed border. So first what you have to do, you have to record a macro. So first time when you are creating a border, you record that border, how you are designing the border with the help of the macro. So here I am giving one name to this. Suppose I am giving border, and you assign a button or keyboard shortcut key to that macro. I am giving keyboard instead of button. Here it is asking the shortcut key for that macro. You need not to go macros and view and run the macro. Just you press that particular shortcut key, automatically the code will get executed. Okay. So suppose what I want to assign. Suppose if you say Control S, see Control S already assigned to save. Already we are using file save option, that is Control S, and suppose Control C, that is already copy. So already assigned keywords we should not use. Keep in mind. Other keywords combination I am going to place. For example, Control and Alt plus B. Three combinations I am pressing. Alt, Control plus B. Alt, Control plus B. That is the shortcut. So see, this is unassigned. So we can use this particular shortcut. So what you have to do is, you press Assign button. So this particular shortcut key assigned to this particular macro what we are creating with the name border. Okay. Okay, I am closing. See the mouse. Along with the mouse arrow, there is a recording cassette symbol. So that means now what are the actions you are doing in the document, everything will be recorded. So what I want to do, I want borders for this page. So go to Home tab and select this paragraph and borders and shading, page border, box, and I want every time this double lined border with this particular color, and if you want you can select art also, particular art also you can select, designed art also you can select to your document each and every time. Which you want you can select. Suppose I am selecting this one. Okay, or otherwise leave the lines as it is. Finally, I am setting OK. Okay. This border I want every time, every day, for every page I want this border. Just imagine. So, okay, my work is complete. This is my border. So, what you have to do? You have to stop the recording. Go to View tab and select this macro, stop recording. Recording stopped. Now, the mouse arrow became normal. Okay. Our macro is ready. So, how to assign this particular activity to that new page, new work means the macro already stored with the name. You can view the macro C. Already border named macro is there. You can run anywhere. You can delete it. You can suppose if you edit means this is the code. Microsoft Visual Basic Application code. This code written by the macro. So, I am closing this one. Okay. I want to apply the macro to my new document. I am selecting Control N, new document. I want to apply the border here. Control Alt B. So, automatically border will come. So, it is saving the time. Suppose again I am taking one new one and again Control Alt B. So, this is why macros are very useful to reduce the work of your regular activities in the document. And for example, I want each and every time I want to place my sign or something address repeatedly in the document. Suppose my address, suppose for example something is there. So, I want to record with a macro. So, create a new macro and I am giving address and use the keyboard shortcut, and this time I am giving Control Alt A. So, this is also unassigned. Okay, I am assigning. Okay, close. Now start recording. So, for example, this address I want each and every time. So, something with pin code also and with phone number also. Just imagine. So, now I am stopping the recording. Okay. Wherever you need this address, there what you have to do, just you press Control Alt A, that's all. Not only today, every day you can do. You need not to type your address repeatedly. Why? Because macros recorded already. See, view macros, there are two macros. If you don't want these macros, you can delete every time. For example, you can delete any time. Delete, address, delete, yes, and if you don't want border also, you can delete. And if you know programming means, you can edit and write programming. For example, for border, I am writing some code. If you know, then only you have to write. Suppose I am giving one message box, MSG box, hello, your border is ready. like that. I know VB code, that's why I am typing something with message box. Okay. And save this one, Control S, and close this one. Next time, suppose in a new page, you type Control Alt B. Hello, your border is ready. Okay. So like that, you can also edit the code if you know the VB programming, then only. So that is different version. Okay, if you know the programming, then only you can write and edit macros, or otherwise just you can record and use the macros. Suppose I am going to view the macro. If you don't want that macro also, you can delete it. Yes, I am closing all. Okay, like this we can utilize macros for repeating tasks to reduce the time of editing your document. Okay.